Jam Handle sent us something in the mail today so we could test it out, put it on our trucks, and see how it does over time. We did some research on it, and they're priced really well. They're these plastic jam handles which you put your fingers on to pull the door. So instead of grabbing the actual edge of the door, which a lot of people will do, you can just put your fingers on this and pull it in. So we're going to be putting these on our trucks, and obviously, you know, if we're going to update you guys and let you know how they do over time. Now, we did check out their website, and they do have a lot more options. They have them anodized, meaning that they're metallic. These are the lower priced ones, so they're more accessible. They're really low prices. Like, these are very affordable to buy. We're going to be testing them out, obviously. I find them interesting. I do want them on my truck. I reached out to them to review these products and check them out, put them on our trucks. I know some of you are going to be interested in this, so if you want to go check them out, you can check them out at Jam Handle. They sent us out this sticker. I know you can't see it that well, but we're going to put it right here so everybody can check it out whenever we go to shows. Do us a favor and go check out Jam Handles on Instagram. Their tag is JAMHANDLES. Also, go check out their website, www.jamhandles.com. They have a lot of awesome products, a lot of different colors. So if you really want something unique that isn't super expensive, that's going to stick out and is also going to help you preserve your paint and keep your car cleaner, they have a lot of cool things. I really recommend checking out their website. You never know if this is something you're going to want to add onto your truck. It'd be something cool to show off at truck shows or show off at car shows. It's a little tiny piece of bling that also helps keep your car clean, keep those handprints off the paint, and preserve it a little bit longer. So a really important thing you need to do is make sure you have some cleaning product. This has a 3M backing. If you can see, that's a good thing. Obviously, it's a good brand. It's not going to come off in the heat, which in Miami, honestly, some brands, it's going to come off with the heat. So this is a really good thing. Now, the other thing is, a dirty door is no good. It doesn't matter if it's 3M. It doesn't matter if it's the best product in the world. It's going to come off. It needs a clean surface to adhere to. So the first thing we're going to do, obviously, is clean the surface. Let's open up the truck and start cleaning. First thing, pick out your area. So obviously, if you're shorter, maybe this is more comfortable. I'm not that tall, but personally, this is what I feel is more comfortable for me. And after playing around, I think we're going to do it with this. Obviously, first off, make sure this fits here. If you really want to go the extra step, slowly get the door close. Make sure it clears, and for us it did clear, so you never know what if your truck might have clearance issues. So now you're gonna go spray this down and wipe it. Now this truck is very new, so this hasn't even gotten dirty up here. My truck's gonna be a completely different story when you see us apply it on there. But remember, make sure it's dry, make sure it's not wet, make sure there's no dirt, no residue. So we're gonna grab our jam handle and check it out. So your jam handle should have a red backing on it. You're just gonna want to slowly peel this back. Make sure you're not pulling the adhesive off the actual product, because that can happen with any product. Don't litter. And it's very simple, very easy application. You just go ahead and you're gonna stick it on there, and that's it. And it's plastic, which is nice, so that means if you have a curve to your door, it's gonna mold. Now obviously, so if you look at this door, it's not perfectly straight right here, which I actually had that as an issue. I was scared that this would not be able to close correctly, but I realized since we have the plastic version, it's still gonna be able to look sleek and nice in here while still not being an obstruction in the closing process. So obviously this is sturdy. I mean, I'm grabbing it and I'm pushing the door with good force, and we don't have any problems here. But you always want to make sure you press it down really good. And so as we left off, I was just making sure that this clears it. So obviously it does clear, but how you're going to use it to protect, instead of going like this, which with some girls, they have nails that are going to scratch your paint. And my girlfriend, who is very wonderful, also does this, but it's accidental because it's just easy. And the same thing with the door handle. That's why we put protectants on the back. But for me, I see this as pretty easy. Like, there's nothing wrong with that. It's just a very easy tool that can be installed for very cheap, and it also looks cool. It's something cool that you have in there. You know, it's nothing out of this world. And you close your door just like that, no issues. So now we're gonna install on the front door. Obviously, we'll show you the rear as we did, and then we'll show you the front just so you know how we put it on this Tacoma in case anybody wants to do it as we did. So I'm looking, there's a straight line right above this hinge, so it's gonna clear fine, but as you know, these are plastic. But if you have metal, make sure you don't stick it on a curved surface, because it's not gonna bend. At least I'm pretty sure it will not bend. So with the back, if that's the case, you're gonna have to put it a little bit lower. Here, you'd put it right here, which actually happens to be exactly the right height for me. So I'm just gonna spray it. I'm going to wipe it down just to be safe and cautious. And then I'm going to come here. I'm going to peel off my red film. Again, don't litter. And you're just going to place it however you'd like. Press down. It's on there really good. And you're gonna close the door. So now we're just gonna put it on the Tundra real quick, and we're gonna show you the same way, same general idea. Look for your mounting space, and for me, I'm looking at right here as soon as I open the door. So obviously clean it, wipe it down. You're gonna remove your red film. Put it in your pocket and place it and press it down. That's perfect. And you're just gonna make sure it's on there good. That's it. So I just wanted to expand on the different ways you can use this before we move on to the rear door. So you open up your car, obviously. So this one is a 3-finger hole. They have a 4-finger hole, which might be better for some people, but honestly for me, I don't really care as long as it keeps my fingers off the rear door and off the door handle, because it's awkward. So you can go like this with your thumb and it's not gonna break. You can use all 3 fingers, it's not gonna break. Use it by the middle, use it by the edge. You can grab it however you'd like to. And if this is awkward for you, they have a larger model, which is the 4-finger, like I said, that's easy to use. So I honestly like doing it like this. I just grab onto the edge and push it, and that's fine for me. So we're gonna put it here, right above the hinge, same as the other truck. It's what I like. I'm gonna spray it down, wipe it, put this over here. Let's put this over here too. Get your red film and pull it off. Right above the hinge, I'm placing it. Let me make sure it's even. Right there is good. And press it down. And that's good. So I'm just gonna grab my things and make sure it works. No problems. So last thing we're gonna be installing today is our jam handle sticker. So we're gonna get our sticker, place it right there, clean off our surface area for adhesion. Make sure it's clean and dry, that's important. And we're gonna peel off our sticker. And we are going to make sure it's even and exactly where we want it. And place it on there. Just make sure it's good. And there you go. Preserve your paint, and there's their website, www.jamhandles.com. Cool little sticker that they sent us. Thank you so much for joining us today, Yoda lovers. We really enjoyed checking out these products from Jam Handles and putting them on our trucks. Obviously, moving forward in the future, when we do reviews on these vehicles, we will talk about how they have affected our daily lives and if it's made it any easier. I know some of you are going to have different opinions on this matter, but please keep it kind in the comments. Don't attack other people that are in the comments. Some people do like this type of stuff. Personally, I do. And other people are gonna enjoy it too. That's just the way the world is. I really like the customizable options that they have, the different colors as well as the metal applications. And honestly, I see myself buying their anodized products in the future for my truck. Maybe the 4-hole version will be something that we can test out. Maybe a set for the front doors. You can let us know what you wanna see, and we can talk about how they last over time and how they do on our trucks throughout the day. So make sure you go and check out their Instagram at Jam Handles. Check out their website at www.jamhandles.com. These are going to be one of their more affordable options if you're looking for something affordable, but they do have more expensive options, which at the end of the day, they're still affordable. So whichever you want, you'll be able to pick it up. They also have some cool shirts and merch. And make sure you check out our Instagram. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below on your opinions. But make sure not to attack other people commenting. Everybody has their own opinions, but be nice about it. Thank you for joining us, and always remember, it's a Yoda world.